Hello guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can send fax message from your Oppo A1. So now first up, open the Play Store, look for the fax app and choose one of them. I'm always using the Easy Fax, so you can launch it now. And click on the plus to choose source of your document or the picture. Just select it and click import. Of course you can select more than one picture. Now you can add this shape to your document or the picture. If you add it, click arrow icon and choose the filter for the photo to make it more visible for your receiver. Now click on the accept icon, enter a number in this place, choose the content from the list, and if you want to add more documents, click on the plus and do it like before. If you want to send the documents from this, just get your free credits or buy it and click on this button. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe, comment, and goodbye.